Namaste, I'm Acharya Pratishtha and today we are talking about vitamin D deficiency, which has become a major problem these days. There are so many people who are suffering from this problem. Let's start with how do we know that we are suffering from vitamin D deficiency? If you feel lazy and lethargic throughout the day, if you feel body ache, if you feel that you're not feeling like doing anything, if your lifestyle is such that you are staying indoors throughout the day, if you are eating unnatural food, if you are not getting any exposure to sun, you might have vitamin D deficiency. Now let's talk about how do we deal with it. The very first thing is which most of the people adapt to is they start taking supplements. But taking supplements is not a permanent solution. How do we deal with vitamin D deficiency? 1. Wake up early in the morning. This is very, very important. Unfortunately, these days, people are sleeping at the time when they should be waking up. And time when they should be waking up, they go to bed. So first thing is try to wake up early in the morning. Second is make sure that from 30 to 40 minutes you're staying in sunlight, which is very, very important. So 30 to 40 minutes of exposure to sunlight is very, very important if you want to stay healthy and if you want to get rid of the problem of vitamin D deficiency. Now, when we are in sunlight, what shall we do? So best is you must practice your yoga abhyas in sunlight. That solves two purposes. One, you're going to stay healthy. Two, if you practice yoga abhyas in sunlight, you're getting your vitamin D as well. Now what should we be doing in sunlight? So we need to remember 2-3 things. One, we should wear sun colors. Either we should be bare body in sunlight, which is the best. But if you can't be bare body in sunlight, what you can do is you can wear sun colors like I am wearing orange or yellow or white. And then you should practice 3 things in sunlight. 1, expand your arms and practice this deep breathing at least 5 times. Then you should do Surya Namaskar, sun salutation for at least 12 repetitions. Not more than 12, but even 12 if you are a practitioner. If you're a beginner, you can start with 3 to 4 repetitions and gradually increase it to 12 repetitions. And third thing you should do is pranayam. And best is Nadi Shodhan pranayam in sunlight. So you should do these 3 things in sunlight. And while doing these 3 things, it will be around 15 to 20 minutes, and then rest of the time you can meditate in sunlight or you can follow your everyday yogic routine in sunlight. Then you need to add some such food which is grown in sunlight, which means no dabba ban food, no packed food. See, our body is made up of 5 elements, and once you eat that food which you get, which is grown up in 5 elements, which is grown up in earth, which gets sunlight, which gets water, which is under sky, that is the best food for you. That is the most healthiest food for you. So you add at least 1 bowl of fresh salad in your diet and you add 1 bowl of fresh fruits in your diet if you want to get out of this vitamin D deficiency. These are some very simple ways which you can adapt in your day-to-day life to say goodbye to vitamin D deficiency.